Hey there, welcome back to East Texas Live. This is Megan Riaz, and she is with the Bethesda Health Clinic. Back in studio with us again because y'all have some great news we're going to announce. But wait, before we get to the news, for people who don't know what Bethesda Health Clinic is, give a brief overview of what y'all do.
Yes, so what we do is we do medical and dental care for mostly uninsured East Texans. We just started pediatrics, so we also do health care for underserved children in the community. And it's not a free clinic, but adults can come to our main clinic and get health care for $20 or $30, including counseling, which is so affordable, and we just want to take care of people.
See, now what I like about Bethesda Health Clinic is there's so many programs for people who are unemployed or retired or indigent or disabled or can't have income, and then people who are well off don't need help, and then there's this gap in the middle.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So 20 years ago when we were started, that's what they wanted to do, is fill that gap. You know, the people who are working hard, often multiple jobs, and they just can't afford health insurance. It would eat into their budget for their rent or their groceries. And so we're like, hey, we need to take care of these people. Let's create a place where they can come.
Right. So the people have like 2 or 3 part-time jobs. They don't get insurance. Or self-employed people are often
self-employed, even other nonprofit workers. You know, a lot of nonprofits, Tyler has a lot of nonprofit organizations, and some of them are smaller and can't afford to offer health insurance to their team. So,
all right, so let's talk about the new news. You're expanding to help even more East Texans.
Yes, we are. So we have just recently opened our Lindale Clinic in the Journey Center, which is a new facility in Lindale. It was a former nursing home that was renovated, and it houses different nonprofit organizations. So we've joined there, and we had our first clinic there a couple weeks ago. But we are just looking forward to helping even more people through Bethesda, maybe helping like some people in Mineola, Van, maybe they don't have the ability to drive all the way to Tyler, and they can come see us in Lindale.
Yeah, or just terribly more convenient.
Yeah, exactly.
Right. So y'all are having a grand opening celebration. Tell the guy watching about that.
Yes, so we would love for you to join us. We're going to be celebrating the ribbon cutting at our Lindale Clinic on November 14th from 4 to 6 p.m. We'd love to have you there. And we just want people to know about our Lindale Clinic, about Bethesda. If you know someone who cannot afford to go to the doctor and needs help, please send them to us, and we'll do the best we can to help them and get them taken care of.
All right, so how do people become patients?
So all of the information is on our website, but it's just a really short, easy process. They come into the clinic, bring a check stub, their ID, just to make sure they fit within the income guidelines. And I think a common misconception is that to be a patient at Bethesda, you have to be super low income. We actually go up to 300% of the federal poverty level. So really, you know, a lot of people will self-select out thinking, oh, well, I probably make too much money to be a patient. The information is on our website, including the income guidelines. So we just encourage anyone, if you're struggling, you can't afford health care, come see us, come in the clinic. Once you're approved to be a patient, you're a patient for 2 years. And you can also get reapproved. Just have to make sure you fit the income guidelines, but it's a really easy process.
All right, for more information on all that, the details are at BethesdaClinic.org, BethesdaClinic.org.